So you may be wanting to use Class Notebook, but you also see the benefit of using assignments to organize the students to get work done. Now you can combine these two together. Here I've got an example of some content that I've created. It's just in a section that I've created and some pages here. And so this page here, Dutch angle, I want the students to look through, watch the video, and then as part of their film, I would like them to use a Dutch angle for a purpose. Now, I can get this page to them by clicking Class Notebook and Distribute Page, as we've covered in another video. But there's another way, and it helps organize the student to actually go to this page and complete it by a certain time. And we use assignments to do that. So we click on Assignments. And what we're going to do, we're going to create a new assignment. So we call this one Dutch angle. And then we go to Add Resource. In this case, we're going to click on the Class Notebook. We navigate to where our page is saved, so that's in Content for Students in my case, and here's my Dutch angle page. So we attach this page. Now what it does is it actually places my page as a copy into the students section. So I choose where that content goes. In this case, I'm just going to click on handouts, but maybe you want to create the separate section before you do this, and click done. So now when the students open this assignment and click on the link, it will direct them to their version of their page within their class notebook, which they then can complete. So we'll just do that now and assign it. Feel free to add instructions for the student and what they need to do if needs be. Okay, so here's the assignment that the student can now access. Let's see what the student can see. Okay, so we're logged into Teams as a student, and we can see that this is the assignment I've just given this student. So click on this, and as we can see, we've got this page that's a OneNote page. So when I click onto this page, where it's taking me to is actually within the class notebook and the student's version of this class notebook. So we're just looking at a single page of where the student sees their work. So at the bottom here, I'm just going to add as a student. Okay. Then we close that and click Turn In. Okay, and now we'll go and see what that looks like in the teacher's view. Now we're back in the teacher view in Teams. So we can see here we have the assignment 1 of 1 turned in. If you don't see this, you just need to refresh to see what the most up-to-date situation is. So we'll click into Dutch angle and see the students that have completed the work. So I've only got one student here, so I'll click in here. So by default, it will load this page from their OneNote, and we can see that here is their answer to the question. Now, if we close this and then go to Class Notebook, we can see that when we have a look at the student's notebook, that the content is already there. So here's my student. Here is where we save the work, and here's the notes. So now that student has these notes and the reference here, and they're able to see this at any moment.